How to create Google Cloud account.
Let's go.
Go to Google Cloud website. Click Start for free. Then you can fill in your information. It will also ask you for credit card information. You have to provide it. There is no way around it. How to install gcloud SDK. Type gcloud SDK install. Then go to the first link. You will find the instructions for different operating systems. You can click on Google Cloud CLI installer. Once the installer is downloaded, you can open the file and just follow the instructions. You don't have to change anything. You can just click next, I agree, next, next, install. Once the installation is done, you can click finish and it will automatically open the Google Cloud SDK shell. It will ask you if you want to log in. You can type Y. Then it will automatically open your browser to allow you to authenticate. Then it will ask you to allow CLI to log into your gcloud account. You can click allow and you are now authenticated with the gcloud CLI.
Nice.